In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and delete the version history of Google Sheets. Whether you want to track changes you've made or need to manage past versions, this tutorial will help you become more efficient at handling your Google Sheets. First, open a Google Sheet that you want to work with. Whether it's a shared document or one that you own, the steps remain the same. Getting started with a simple click on the sheet ensures you're ready to dive into its history. Moving on, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on File in the menu bar. A drop-down will appear, providing a variety of options. Among these, you'll find the crucial one for today's task. Under the File menu, you should find See Version History. Clicking on this will open a new pane on the right side of your screen. This is your hub for navigating through the evolution of your document. It's helpful to note here that Google Sheets automatically saves versions as changes are made, so you don't need to worry about turning on this feature. Within the version history pane, you will be presented with a list of past versions. These versions are typically time-stamped, making it easy to track when specific changes were implemented. To see the most recent version in detail, simply click on it. It's crucial to understand what changes were made at each stage and the context in which these alterations occurred, as this assists in making informed decisions about restoring past versions. Scrolling through the version history allows you to see more than just the last few changes. As you click on various timestamps, you'll get a detailed view of what each version looked like, including highlights of changes made. It might seem there's a lot to take in, but take your time. Reviewing this list offers insights into project development and progression. When you find a version you wish to restore, simply click on it. After selecting it, you will see an option labeled Restore this version, located towards the top of the version pane. Clicking here is a significant step, so ensure confidence in your decision to turn back to this snapshot in your document's timeline. Once you've made your selection, confirm by clicking the Restore button. By doing so, the chosen version becomes the current one on your Google Sheet. And don't worry, this action itself becomes a new version, so you can reverse it if necessary. This feature helps maintain flexibility and continuity in managing your documents. And there you have it. You're now equipped to both view and manage the version history in Google Sheets. This knowledge empowers you to make seamless adjustments and ensures your data's integrity. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it straightforward and helpful.